In Death Valley, in Eastern California, USA, on a scorching hot day, with temperatures reaching 130 degrees Fahrenheit, Kia's all-new Sportage is undergoing a series of intensive development tests, appropriately called the Hot Test. Death Valley is the lowest, driest, and hottest area in North America. This harsh environment is the optimal location for the extreme temperature testing of Kia's product lineup. The average consumer is unlikely to experience these circumstances and conditions on a normal day, but still, a group of Kia engineers are working directly under the sun to make sure all systems of the all-new Sportage work flawlessly. These series of tests focus closely on monitoring how various critical components, for example, HVAC systems and powertrain, work in these extreme circumstances. The tests help to find any technical flaws and fix them with technical solutions to optimize system operation. Among the numerous different types of hot tests, 3 tests are being employed today to simulate real-world driving situations and check the integrity of the HVAC system in relation to the engine and transmission cooling. The first test is the uphill climb test, letting the test vehicle soak up the heat for about an hour, bringing the internal cabin temperature to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, the vehicle is driven from sea level to almost 5,000 feet elevation. The all-new Sportage is driven at 60 miles per hour on a 17-mile stretch of sun-soaked road, while engineers find a way to ensure the additional load on the engine has minimum impact on the air conditioning system. The second test is the stop-and-go drive test, conducted in the Furnace Creek area of Death Valley. As the name suggests, this test is to simulate stop-and-go traffic, driving the all-new Sportage at 25 miles per hour for 2 minutes before stopping and idling for an additional 2 minutes. This process is repeated several times. The final test is the slow drive test, which takes place at the lowest place in North America, known as the Badwater Basin, 282 feet below sea level. After another 1-hour heat soak, cars drive at 25 miles per hour for 30 minutes through the valley. This test is designed to verify the capacity of the HVAC system when there is a low velocity of airflow over the condenser unit. All of the data from these tests is acquired in a stream of 70 channels and is recorded every second. In order to accurately monitor vehicle parameters, thermocouples are placed in strategic locations to monitor temperatures inside the cabin, outside the vehicle, as well as monitor the vehicle's components. In addition to the rigorous ventilation and air condition tests, material tests of Kia vehicles are done at the $1 million material weathering facility of California Proving Ground. Here, full cars and a variety of parts are subjected to continuous UV radiation from the sun for over a year. The exposure is accelerated through different testing equipment that follows the path of the sun to accelerate UV degradation. This facility attempts to ensure that the various parts and components of Kia's vehicle do not deteriorate under extreme heat and remain intact through the vehicle's life cycle. Thanks to these extensive tests, the industry-leading quality of Kia vehicles is continuously improved.